Hi friends, welcome to our channel Roadways. We are planning to go South Island for 10 days. It's from Palmerston North, which is based in North Island of New Zealand. We were planning this trip from around 6 months before. Let me show you a short tour about our camper van, how it looked like. It's a budget-friendly camper van. Let me open the door. See, here's that foldable table. If the weather is good, you can have food outside, putting 3 chairs. This camper van is for 3 people, so 3 people can easily sit. There's a foldable chairs also inside the camper van. You can fold it whenever you want it. Here you go, that's a sink. Open. So sink and gas. So there's 2 knobs. Just have to turn on the cylinder from outside to turn it on. There's a foldable tap. Just you have to press that button to turn water on. This option for hot water and cold water. Good to wash your dishes, but make sure there's no food ingredients in the dishes. Keeping it back, foldable. So make sure when you're driving, it should be folded and keep it back safe. That's where we are putting our dishes, glasses, cups, plates, bowls. That's where we put, we're gonna keep our foodstuffs over there. There's enough space to keep food. Some cooking stuffs. Fridge is good. They have got 2 options like freezer and normal. There's option to keep veggies and fruits. It's enough. It's good temperature, well maintained and regulated temperature. It's a small fridge, but it's good for 3 people. Okay guys, I'll just show you about the drawers. We have some fork, knife and towels inside. Let me show you second one. That's some cutleries for using while cooking. Then we have the bigger one. There's enough space. Here you go. Some 3 glass for 3 people. We have toaster and kettle, and there's enough space to put other stuffs as well. Let me show you some other things. Some chopping bag, some things for cooking, pan, some cleaning stuffs. So this, if you have more stuffs, you can fill it up. It's as per your need. Let me show you how we are gonna assemble kids' bed. Easily 2 kids can fit in this bed. When you are about to take rest, just take it out. This is how we managed to assemble it. But while you're driving, just keep it back. And this is a good space for storage. If you have extra stuffs, just keep it there. It's safe. Let me show you from back. how to assemble a dining table. This is a rod, steel rod, which fix in the center of the hole. Fixing it, there's a small wood where we just to assemble it in that rod. If the weather is not that good, just sit and have your meal. Enjoy your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's a good choice. If you're not a person who like to eat outside, it's the right choice. Just try to keep it back. Make sure you have enough space to walk around. Now I will show you how about the toilet. Toilet is a bit small. I won't prefer this, but yeah, if you are in an emergency, you can just use this one. But I will show you throughout our journey how to empty the toilet and how to clean it. So in our further video you will see how we are gonna use it, how we are gonna clean it, and let me show you how to assemble the bed. There are 3 woods are there, so we just basically trying to assemble the wood. Oh, it's getting stuck. Yeah, that's the right one. We are doing it. Not this one, I'm not sure. No, not that one, I'm not sure. Is it working right? Yeah, that's the one. Just putting the dining table wood is fixed at the last, bottom end. It takes some time to learn, but yeah, once you're done, it's so good. Trying to doing some trials here and there. So putting it here now, then not that way. Yeah, that's the way. This is correct one. Yeah, fit and fine. Oh, good. But before we do it, just make sure you put it your bed sheet and your curtains off. It's good to check you have covering. Yeah, it's good. While you're sleeping, you just put all your curtains off, and it's privacy. It's insulated curtain, so good. Let's go outside. Show me outside. Just go around the driver's seat. So basically in our car, the van with 3 people can easily sit, including in center a child can sit. So spacious. It's an automatic van with all the features. Okay guys, let me show you right side of our van. That's where we are. That's where the LPG gas are kept. It's for safety, the reason they kept a door. There's 2 knobs are there. That's the first knob, turn off, turn on. So inside also there's 2 knobs. It's a 2 kg gas. Please make sure you turn off your cylinder while driving. Let me show you how to fill fresh water. It's basically when you are in campsite, it's best place to fill water and dump water. As here, just turn it around and dump the water to the pipe. I will show you in next few videos how to do it. Okay guys, bye for today. We'll see you in next video, day 1. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and press bell button. Thank you.